This is an ACT data passage. This is passage 2. As a data passage, we don't read, we just quickly examine the passage and get the questions as fast as possible. So it looks like we're studying the speed of a projectile. The projectile is moving towards a block, looks like it hits it, and we have 12 different trials. Capital M, mass of block, mass of projectile, height, and velocity. And then we get to the questions. For our questions, we take the R&R approach, a quick read through, and then a reread, breaking it down step by step. Question number 8, based on trials 1 to 4, as velocity increased, H does what? So it increases only. So we're going to see the numbers increasing as well. So F. Number 9, what is the absolute value of the difference between projectile speed in trial 1 and trial 10? So we just want to know the difference, subtracting. It doesn't matter which order because it's absolute value. So we're going to do 38 minus 32, and that is 6. So your answer is B. Number 10 is a suppose question. Suppose questions make you insert information, make some inferences. So suppose a trial had been performed in which M was 1 kilogram, so that's everything trial 1 to 8, and the little m was 0.6 kilograms. So that's going to put us right after trial 8, right? So we see that it progresses 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, then 0.06 kilograms. The resulting value of H were 20. That's everything in 5 to 8. V would be closest to what? So we can see it decreasing, right? So 32, 21, 16, 13. Looks like it's going down about 3 or 4 every time. So 13 minus 3 is 10. So G. What is the independent variable in trials 9 through 12? So we have trials 9 to 12. A little bit of knowledge here. The independent variable is the thing that is changed. So you might be changing the temperature to see the result of the effective temperature. In this one, we have 2 things that are changing. We have the mass of the block and we have velocity. So which one is actually being changed and which one's the result? So the thing that is being changed is the mass of the block. V is the calculation. So the answer is A. Number 12, the maximum gravitational potential energy of the wooden block is given by this equation where G is acceleration due to gravity. For which trial was GPE the greatest? Well, G is going to be a constant, so we're just looking for which numbers are the biggest, because the biggest numbers are going to make the biggest acceleration, right? Because we have addition, multiplication. So we have 4 trials, 4, 6, 8, and 12. So just look at those 4 and see which one has the biggest numbers. The little m doesn't change dramatically, but the only one that changes significantly is trial 12, where the mass of the block changes to 1.4. So that's going to create a much bigger number. So your answer has to be J. Number 13, in trial 1, what was capital M in grams? So we have it in kilograms. And so this is a knowledge question. It's a really common knowledge question, converting units. And so we're going to go from kilograms to grams, right, to the base. So we're going to go from 1 kilogram to 10 to 100 to 1,000. So there's 1,000 grams in a kilogram. So you can think of it as there's more grams in a kilogram, right? So your answer is D. Here are your answers to double check and to see if there's any categories in which you need to increase your level of focus. Reach out if you have any questions, and we'll end with our silly joke. How does the moon cut his hair? Eclipse it. Have a good day.